Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are doing well. My name is Fariha and I am your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn about parts of computer, that is unit number 3. Let's start reading. So let's start reading unit number 3, parts of a computer. In this unit you will learn more about computers and some of its other parts such as scanner, webcam, joystick, USB flash drive and laptop. The first part is scanner. A scanner is a hardware device that optically reads an image and converts it to a digital signal. You can scan text, images and drawings into the computer. So you know that scanner is also an input device because it gives information to the computer, and its function is to convert any document or text or image or drawing that is in a hard form, it converts it into a digital form. So our next topic is webcam. Webcam is a digital camera that connects to a computer. It takes photos and videos. It can transmit photos and videos on the internet. Webcam is also an input device because it also gives information to the computer. A webcam, as you know by its name, it's a camera that you can see from the picture, and when you say a camera, then something clicks in your mind that it is related to photos and videos. So its function is to transmit photos and videos upon the internet. Next is joystick. A joystick is a gaming controller device. You can play games with the joystick. When you move the joystick, it passes information to the computer. As you can see in this picture, this is a device that is called a joystick. It is usually used as a gaming device, and the stick upon it, when you move it left, right, up and down, it controls the character that is in the game. So you control a character through this device. Next device is USB flash drive. A USB flash drive is a portable drive. We can use a USB flash drive to transfer data from a computer to another computer. So students, this is a USB flash drive as you can see in the picture, and this device is used to transfer data that can be in the form of pictures, text, document, anything can be transferred from one computer to another computer. A laptop is a portable computer that is more efficient and powerful as a desktop computer. A laptop computer has a built-in keyboard, pointing device and monitor screen. So here you can see in this picture is a laptop, and a laptop is a smarter and more efficient device than a desktop computer because it has built-in screen, that is a monitor, built-in keyboard and a cursor that is used to control the pointing device. Today most laptop computers are becoming thinner and lighter to help compete with other devices such as tablets. The more smarter you can see is a laptop than a desktop computer, and more efficient it is. So it is better than a desktop computer. Now let's start our exercise, unit number 3, parts of a computer exercise. Write the names of the parts of the computer in the blanks. Number 1, you can see here a picture and you have to identify which device it is. As you know, it's a scanner, and you have to write SCANNER, where the first letter S will be capital. Next device you can see here is a laptop. You have to write LAPTOP, laptop. L will be capital. Next device is a webcam, WEBCAM, where W will be capital. Next device, next picture you can see is a joystick. You will write JOYSTICK, K. Joystick. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash can transmit photos and videos on the internet. As we have read before that webcam is used to transmit photos and videos on the internet. So, the first answer is webcam. You will write WEBCAM, while the first letter W will be capital. Scanner can scan text and images into the computer. The answer is computer. COMPUTER. C. A joystick is a dash controller device. We all know that this joystick is a gaming controller device. So, we will write GAMING, gaming. Part D. A USB flash drive is a portable drive. So, we will write PORTABLE, portable drive. E part. A laptop is a dash computer. A laptop is a portable computer. Here again we will write the word portable, PORTABLE. Part F. Webcam takes photos and dash. We know that webcam is used to take photos and videos. So, you will write VIDEOS, videos. Now, let us go to page number 14, unit number 3, parts of a computer. Question number 3. Put a tick mark on the correct name of the device. Here are 4 options with one picture. So, you have to identify the picture and tick the correct option. You can see here is a device. Can you see that it's not a scanner? It is also not a laptop and even not a joystick. It is a USB flash drive. Next picture you can see here is a scanner. So, we have to choose one of these options. You can see scanner, laptop, webcam and joystick, but the correct answer is scanner. In the next picture we can see is a camera, but what is its name? Is it a scanner, a laptop, a webcam or a joystick? We all know that the correct answer is webcam. So, we have to put a tick mark with webcam. Next device, here are again 4 options: scanner, laptop, webcam and a joystick, and we all know that this device is a joystick. That is a correct option. Now, let us go to question number 4. Write T for true statement and F for false one. You can scan images and drawings into the computer. That is true. Yes, we can scan images and drawings into the computer. Part B. Joystick takes photos and videos. Is it a correct option? Do joystick takes photos and videos? No. Which device is used to take photos and videos? That is a webcam. But this option, this statement is false. Webcam can transmit photos and videos on the internet. We know that webcam can transmit photos and videos on the internet. So, this statement is correct and it is true. So, you have to write T here. Part D. A USB flash drive is not a portable drive. We all know that this device that is called a USB flash drive is a portable drive. So, this statement is false. You will write F here. Part E. A laptop is not a portable computer. We all know that laptop is a portable computer. So, this statement is also false. So, you will write F here for false. Then come to question number 5. Answer the questions. Part A. Name the device which can take photos and videos. We all know that only one device is used to take photos and videos, that is webcam. You will write WEBCAM, webcam. Part B. Name the device which allows you to play games on the computer. We all know that there is one device that is called a gaming device. Its name is joystick. You will write Joystick. Part C. Name the device which allows you to scan text and images. We all know that scanning device is scanner. The answer is SCANNER, scanner. Part D. Name the device which allows you to transfer data from a computer. We all know that USB flash drive is used to transfer data from one computer to another. So, you will write USB, that all three letters will be capital, then FLASH, flash, DRIVE, drive, USB flash drive. So, let us start short question answers of unit number 3. Question number 1 is, how does scanner help us? Answer is, we can scan text, images and drawings with the help of scanner. Question number 2, what is the use of webcam? Answer, a webcam transmits photos and videos on the internet. Question number 3, which device is gaming controller device? We all know a joystick is a gaming controller device. Let's go to the long questions. Long question number 1 is, what is a USB flash drive? Answer, a USB flash drive is a portable drive. We can use a USB flash drive to transfer data from a computer to another computer. Question number 2, why laptop is more efficient and powerful than desktop computer? Answer, a laptop is a portable computer that is more efficient and powerful as a desktop computer because it has a built-in keyboard, pointing device and monitor screen. I hope students you have enjoyed and understood the lesson. Thank you so much for being with me.